Good morning, students. As you know, our laws of exponent are going on. We have already just done the sum related to this one. Today we will do how to just convert any statement in standard form. If a statement is having very much big as the distance from earth to moon, or if the cell is to be very small and it's very difficult to write in numeral form, so we generally convert in standard form. What is to be there in standard form? We generally write one statement before the decimal and the rest statement after the decimal, and thus whole statement including with the 10 raised to power something. How much 10 raised to power is to be written, that depends on our statement. The power of 10 may be positive or may be negative. It also depends on our statement. If the statement is very large, then the statement's 10 exponent is always positive. If the statement is very small, or just we can say in microns like that, then we can say its power is to be written in negative exponent. Now how to convert? Let's start exercise 12.2 sum first part first. As our statement is given 0.0000000000085, okay, and we want to convert in standard form. So how to write it standard form? Now just see, if your statement's decimal is given in very much starting, then always 10 to the power comes negative. And how much negative is to be there? We just replace our decimal to after one numeral digit, as here 000, after so many zeros 8 is there. So in standard form, first of all write one digit before statement and the rest digit is to be after decimal. So it will become 8.5 into 10 raised to power how much, that we will count at which place the 8 is there. So we will count the place 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. It means we have replaced the decimal's digit after 8, which is on 12th place towards our right. Okay, so its power will be negative. So it can be written as 8.5 into 10 raised to power minus 12. Clear? Count the digit from the decimal and take up where you are just going to replace the decimal. Clear? Now in the starting it is decimal given, so power will be negative. Now see the next part. The statement is 602.0000000000000. Okay, now it just see, it's a too much big statement and very much difficult to speak numeral also, so we convert in standard form. So for converting standard form, the first rule I have told, then one digit before the decimal and the rest is to be written after decimal. So we can write 602 our main numeral statement, so it can be written as 6.02 into 10 raised to power. Now see, in your statement, is any decimal is to be just written here? No, you are not able to see decimal. If decimal is not present, it means the decimal is at the last, and you want to convert your decimal after the 6. Okay, that means decimal is coming towards left side. So how many digit is replaced, that much positive exponent will be there. Now let's count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. You have to just count the numeral also with 0. Only just you have to leave one digit before decimal. Now 15 digit you replace, so it will gives you 10 raised to power 15 positive. Okay, because you are just going to replace your decimal towards left. When you are just replacing towards left, As much digit you are replacing, that much positive exponent is to be there. If you are replacing your digit, as in first part, towards right, okay, towards right, and the decimal is given in the starting, then your power of 10 will be always negative. I think both are clear to you. All the sums are depend on these two only, that how to just write in standard form. Either the 10 power is to be positive or it is to be 10 to the power negative. Clear? Now let's do the fifth part. The statement is 3 1 8 6 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Clear? Now just see again, no decimal is just be looking in the statement, no decimal present, so it means it is of first type or second type. Yes, second type. The power will be positive. Positive power. How much positive power is to be there? We have to just see our displacement of decimal, either left or right. If it is towards right, then you have to just see which power you have to write. Now let's see, we are just going to take from decimal end. How much? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. How many digits we have replaced? That is 10. So our answer will become in standard form, that is equal to 3.186 into 10 raised to power 10. Okay, if this is known as, when you are writing something in standard form, this is known as 10 raised to power form, that is standard form, and that statement is known as usual form. Which form? Usual form. He may ask, usual form is given, convert in standard form. He may ask, standard form given, convert in usual form. Sum first, usual is given, you have done the conversion in standard form. But now in sum second, sum 2, what is to be there? Usual form is given and you have to convert in, so given, yes, standard to usual, usual to standard. Now here just see, standard form is given and you have to write in usual form. Numeral numbers are to be known as usual form, and 10 raised to power exponent, that is to be known as standard form. Okay, at the statement of sum second, first part is given in standard form, that is 3.02 into 10 raised to power minus 6. So usual form, again you have to just keep in mind which you have already done in sum first. Minus 6 exponent is there. If the exponent is negative, then you have to keep in mind that your number will be starting with decimal, means 0 point something start. Now as much you have to just put 0, or as much place is to be, the digit is to be there, that is to be seen by 10 raised to power negative exponent which is given to us. As here minus 6 is given, so our digits place, first digit place must be on 6th number, on 6th number after the decimal. Okay, in the starting decimal is given, so 0 point, it means our first digit is 3, its place must be on 6th number, so the number will be 0.000000302. It means how many zeros I have to put? That is 50, because the place of 3 must be on 6th place, and the things which are to be given after the decimal, that is also combined with the number. Decimal will become either in starting or in the end or in between, with the just be seen the power of 10. Okay, as here minus is there, again going to repeat, as minus is there, so your place is to be 6th numbers, that is to be 3. Clear? Now same second part I am going to do, that is to be 1.001 into 10 raised to power 9. 1.001 into 10 raised to power 9. Now the power is positive, the power is positive, so and 9 is to be there, so it means our decimals is to be just end at 11th 9th place. Okay, so 4 digit are there already, 1 2 3 4, so we have to replace 5 zeros more and the decimal will be at the end, because 9 is there, so no decimal in the starting. A decimal number will finish but the decimal will not be visible to, or it means it must be at the end. So number is written as 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 0. Clear? So 9 numbers. After 1 9, this one statement 1 9 digit must be there, so 4 digit already there, so you have to put 5 zeros. I think that things are clear to you. So you have to just do, so you have to do some first and second of exercise 12.2. okay, thank you and have a nice day. Goodbye बच्चों.